decision maker, and we'll get it taken care of now. The Rolling Stone, and here comes Mr. Boyd. Want to watch your leader, 298.20, Paul Stone in the Rolling Stone out of Greensburg, Indiana. Super stock class already. We're going to see if we can have another Kansas winner in the pro stock category. And here we bring Domann to the starting line with this Hurricane Allis AGCO DT20.